Another image that is going to pop up several times is the phoenix. It is a patch on Montag's shirt. Now, a phoenix is a mythological bird that would age, burst into flame, and then be reborn from the ashes. So that is some foreshadowing there. We have Montag from the very beginning associated with the image of the phoenix. A phoenix is going to show up a few other times throughout the book, so keep an eye on that. One other thing before we wrap up this first section. Part 1 is called The Hearth and the Salamander. That is referring to the two main areas, the two main locations of Montag's life. When they say the hearth, they're referring to the home. Now, a hearth is actually a fireplace, but it really means the center of action for a home. A fireplace was your light. It was your cook fire. It was the main hub of activity in your house. It's where conversations happen. So that is the home. The salamander, again, the fire truck, the fire station are called the salamander. So these are the main two locations of action in Montag's life. And as we find out pretty early in part 1, both of these places are corrupted for Montag. They are not life-giving places. They are not nourishing. His home is empty. It's hollow. It's not fruitful. His job is brutal. It's fast-paced. It's impersonal. And between these two things is Clarice. He meets her in the physical space between the house and the fire station. He meets her when he's walking to and from work. When Montag first meets Clarice, it's described like he felt the wind change, or he had a sensation of someone had taken a breath near him. So we have this image of breathing in and out. I see all of these things as the overarching image of a fire. Now, you need 3 things for a fire. You need fuel, you need oxygen, and you need heat. We have the 2 major centers of action in Montag's life, which is the hearth and the salamander, home and job. But these places are dead inside. They are hollow. These are the fuel. Between these 2 things, we have Clarice. She is the oxygen. Again, when she is introduced, the speaker talks about the feeling of the wind shifting or someone taking a breath. Clarice is the oxygen circulating between the fuel. So we've got the fuel, we've got the oxygen. Now we need heat. We need a spark. And there will be one.